It's 2 a.m. Your pipe just burst. Your basement is flooding. Panic is setting in. But wait, there's a solution. There's Pure Valley Plumbing. You live in Moreno Valley. You work hard. You've built your home. You've built your business. The last thing you need is a plumbing disaster spiraling out of control, costing you thousands in damage and stress. That's where we come in. We're not just another plumbing company. We're your emergency plumber in Moreno Valley. We're your neighbors. We're the ones who show up fast when you need us most. Because we know that waiting isn't an option. Your emergency is our emergency. Picture this: water streaming down your walls, pipes frozen, a backed up toilet during your biggest client meeting. These nightmares don't wait for business hours. Neither do we. Pure Valley Plumbing answers the call 24/7, 365 days a year. We deploy our expert technicians to your location with speed and precision. No long wait times, no excuses, just results. Our emergency plumbers aren't just trained, they're masters of their craft. Years of experience, advanced diagnostics, modern equipment. They've seen it all and fixed it all. Burst pipes? Gone. Severe clogs? Cleared. Water leaks destroying your foundation? Solved. Whether you're a homeowner worried about your family's safety or a business owner protecting your reputation and revenue, Pure Valley Plumbing delivers expert solutions when seconds count. Here's what you get when you trust us. Lightning fast response. We arrive, ready to work, carrying everything needed to handle your emergency. Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, expert technicians who diagnose the problem accurately, explain your options clearly, and fix it right the first time. No guesswork, no comebacks, no wasting your time or money. Cutting-edge technology that finds hidden leaks, clears the toughest blockages, and prevents future disasters before they happen. Fair, transparent pricing, no surprise charges, no hidden fees. You know exactly what you're paying for and why. When Pure Valley Plumbing handles your emergency, you can breathe easy. You're backed by a team that cares about your property and your situation. Listen, plumbing emergencies don't discriminate. They hit commercial properties and homes alike, restaurants, offices, apartment complexes, single-family homes. We protect them all. Because in Moreno Valley, Pure Valley Plumbing is the trusted name in emergency plumbing, residential or commercial. Your emergency is critical. That's why our emergency plumber network stands ready, fully equipped and fully committed to solving your crisis today. You've worked too hard to let a plumbing disaster ruin everything. You deserve a plumber who gets it, who understands the urgency, who shows up equipped, experienced, and ready to fix. That's Pure Valley Plumbing. When your pipes fail, when your water won't stop running, when you're facing a plumbing catastrophe, don't panic. Don't call just anyone. Call the emergency plumber. Moreno Valley trusts Pure Valley Plumbing. 24/7 emergency response. Local, reliable, expert, fast. Your problem becomes our mission. Your peace of mind is our guarantee. When disaster strikes, strike back with Pure Valley Plumbing. Because in Moreno Valley, we don't just fix plumbing, we solve emergencies. Trust the local experts. Trust Pure Valley Plumbing. Your emergency ends here.